Hello everyone, we will now move further with another type of the hairstyle. Take some of the hair strands from the scalp area one after the another. We are going to place them at the proper position as apparent on your screens. This looks so nice and so good. You just have to repeatedly do this process from the another and as apparent on your screens. This one is very simple and very easy. Then fix it at the proper position using the rubber band. Then the two ends are to be tied up together using a common rubber band. After that, a messy type of the bunny look is to be created. This looks very simple and very easy. Next hairstyle is again inspired from the medium length hair. You just have to give the internal twist and then with the help of your fingers in a crisscross manner you are going to place them one after the another, and then you just have to make a classical braid from the one side only, and then in a twisty manner I am going to roll it and then decorate it using these type of the flower fancy pin. This looks so good. This hairstyle is again inspired for the medium length hair. You just have to take the few strands from the scalpy area, build them into the braid as apparent on your screens. We are just building it. Once this thing is to be done, after that you just have to tie it up using the rubber band and loosen some of the strands. Then the rest of the hair is to be tied up using the another rubber band. This looks very good and very easy. Convert it into the bun as apparent on your screens. This looks so nice and so good. Then decorate it with some of the rubber bands as shown here. Next hairstyle is again inspired for the medium length hair. You just have to again take the hair sections from the scalpy area and you just have to build this twisty type of the look as shown here. This looks very simple and very easy. You can definitely give it a try. It's best suitable for the step cutting people because it looks nice on them. Then fix them together using the rubber band and decorate with this fancy pin. Thank you.